Want to keep your Microsoft Loop pages more organized? Let me show you how to quickly insert a date. First, open Microsoft Loop in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you are inside, go to the page where you want to add a date. Hover your cursor over the page until you see the plus icon appear. Click on it and a menu will open. From the list of options, select Date. A date field will instantly appear in your document. You can adjust the format to fit your needs, whether you prefer day, month, year, or another style. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've added a date to your Microsoft Loop page. It's a simple feature, but it can make your projects and tasks much easier to track. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Loop guides.